Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing if you're wondering, because this wig is so beautiful. Today's hair sponsor is Zlike hair. As you can see on my chain, Zlike got me blinged out, okay? I can't take them right now. They are too much in all the right ways. I recently worked with Zlike not too long ago. This is actually my second collaboration with them, so we are happy about that. I have one of the most beautiful wigs to show you guys to install. I know you girls are gonna be running to the checkout because this wig is bomb.com. What I have installed is a 30-inch, you heard me right, 30-inch 13x4 HD frontal wig. This is in the balayage highlight color, the density 180%. What it's looking like now. I bleached the knots and I toned her out, so in the unboxing you'll see that this is more like brown tone, but now it's more ashy. We need some lace tint. If you guys hear my little fan in the background, never mind that. Ooh, yes, she's giving HD now. I am clipping those clips in. So I know I'm probably gonna have to recurl a lot of this, but I'm okay with that. I just wanted to get most of the hard stuff out of the way. I'm gonna do a quick melt. Trying to see if I'm happy with that amount of forehead space. And I think I am. So this wig also comes pre-plucked, so I didn't do any plucking. That's how it came. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. So the wig is a little short there, so I'm just cutting into the lace just to cut into the wig so I can fit my head. And I'm just one of those people who don't like a lot of lace on their wigs even after the install. So I like to cut as much of that off as possible. Okay, so that's what she's looking like right now, and now we're just gonna secure her down. I'm gonna be using this spray. We're gonna have to remelt the sides. It's okay. I was trying to do it in one shot, but that's not realistic. Trying to find some love in this crazy world. Okay, I'm gonna put a melt band this way. I'm gonna pull it and do it really tight. I'm gonna actually tie it. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a melt band this way. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Okay. All right. Yes. I'm gonna clean up the hairline just ever so slightly. It looks pretty good already. I'm gonna go in with some powder to kind of match my skin tone just around the hairline there to hide the glue or spray that I put. That hairline is melted, baby. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that same spray. I think we might just do the one baby hair on this side. I'm gonna pluck a little bit of the hair out. I don't really like super thick baby hairs. Again, I'm going in with the same Ebin spray, the melt spray, because you can use it for everything. You don't just use it for one thing. Spray, hold, and mold. Those baby hairs were doing a bit too much. One of the last things I'm going to do is just define the part. See how that just makes it pop? Like, it looked good already, but with that, it's just like next level. Okay, spray. I'm gonna pick a few sections here where there's pretty much like no curls, because I don't like to put products on my wig. I like to try to keep it as natural as possible. So that means the curls will drop. Because when you spray a lot of hairspray, it does make the wig stiff as hell. So just gotta be prepared for that. If you want the curls to hold, spray some hairspray, but if you want it to be stiff as hell, also spray some hairspray. Recurling this the second time is so much easier, oh my goodness. But this wig does curl very easily for the most part. Now I'm gonna get my Bio Silk, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my palm, a little bit. Rub it together, rub in my hands, because I don't want too much of it on my hair. So I'll rub it into my skin first and then go in and comb through those curls. And there we have it, you guys. Extra length, and I'm here for every single inch of that extra length. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm living my best life. It's curled and it's still very long. Curled, it's still hitting me longer than a 30-inch. Baby, this wig is going to be touching your booty, and we are here for that. Now, if you look at the unboxing portion of this video, you'll see that the wig looked a little bit more brassy. I did not color this wig. All I did was wash it with purple shampoo after I bleached my knots, because I wanted her to give scalpiana. I wanted her to give, this is not a wig, this is your hair. She achieves that and then some. Very easy install. All we did was cut the lace, and then we sprayed her down and melted her with my lazy girl method. I don't know why like the HG transparent lace doesn't really work, but all you do is spray it and then you instantly put the lace over the hair, apply it wet, and then melt the crap out of it and hit it with the blow dryer on top of that lace band, and that gives you the perfect, pretty much mess-free install. This looks like it's been glued down. Hair is silky smooth, like butter. It holds a curl very well, so that is something that I really like. You can straighten it because when you wash it, the wig does dry very silky. Like, they use the highest quality hairs to make this wig, because you can see with the purple shampoo, these hairs turned pretty blonde, so they're pretty ashy, and I love it. I love the chunky black with the blonde. You guys, I love it. Like, I can't stop raving about it. You guys need to run over there and check them out. There's the coupon code in the description box so you can save some coins on this, because I'm obsessed and I know you guys are gonna be obsessed. Now, I loved everything about this wig. I do think that the HD lace could be slightly improved. With a little bit of tint and a little bit of powder, it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me or comments, leave it there as well. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. It really does go a long way. And I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on any notifications or future uploads that I do. Bye!